just parked up. I don't know if you can see the sign or not. Alright, just an update. I want a bid, but I didn't check the flipping mileage on the car. It's 165,000 miles. See the revs, I put my foot down and the revs go up, so I'm just going to replace, get the clutch done. What's going on YouTube? I'm back at again with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be going to a car auction for the first time by myself. My Manheim account got opened tomorrow, so they accepted all my requirements. Well, I met all the requirements anyway, and I'm going to the auction today. I got a few cars that I want to look at, so keep tuned, and I'll turn the camera back on when I get there. So yeah, hopefully today's a nice day like yesterday. Hopefully I get a good car today, because I need some stock. I've got no cars at the moment, so yeah. See you guys in a bit. So guys, I've just arrived at the auction, just parked up. I don't know if you can see the sign or not. Here's one of the cars I wanted to look at online. The only thing is that right there. Here's this Fiesta I wanted to bid on today. It's actually not bad. Got a bit of a dent in this wing, but that's alright. And here's a Corsa that I was going to bid on today as well. These two. Get a new wing for that. Pretty clean all around. Yeah, pretty clean Corsa. I'm going to bid on this one. Hoping everything else is alright with the car. I'm not gonna lie guys, it's pretty exciting buying from the auction. I bought from one before, and I didn't buy a good car. It was some Honda Civic, and it was misfired. It was a diesel, and smoke was coming through the air vents as well in that car. But yeah, at Manheim auction in Bristol, having a look through. I've seen the cars that I wanted to look at, so yeah. When the auction starts, I'll start the video again. Alright, just an update. I want a bid, but I didn't check the flipping mileage on the car. It's 165,000 miles. It's a Mazda 3. Mazda 2, I mean. I've paid for it now, so I just gotta wait till they receive the payment. Alright guys, I just found the car. Here's a quick walk around of the little thing that I bought. Not a bad little car, mate. Not a bad little car. Pretty clean actually. So driving the car back now guys, it's not the best news. The car's flipping, it's got the clutch is gone on the car unfortunately, so it doesn't look like it was a good buy. Look, listen, it's just revving out. You can see the revs. I put my foot down and the revs go up, so I'm just going to replace, get the clutch done. So guys, I may take an L with this car because I got it. I won the bid for £1,150, and then with fees it's £1,418. I didn't check the mileage of the car. Stupid of me. It's 164,000 miles, man. Like, that's a lot of mileage, but it's only had one owner from new. It's got full service history. It's got everything, but the clutch is slipping. So either I'm going to do it myself, or I'm going to get somebody else to do it. But it's a nice little car, really. Alright guys, I'm just about to go collect the clutch from GS. GSF parts. So guys, just got the clutch and three 1 litre gearbox oil. taking an L, but is what it is, isn't it? Is what it is. I doubt I'll be able to even sell that car for whatever I'm spending on it. So yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Anyways, so guys, quick update. I knew this mechanic, and basically I've got a clutch from GSF Parts for £70. He said he fit it for 250 quid. I'm probably gonna take it out this car. I know it already. Like, the mileage is 165,000 goddamn miles. The clutch is slipping. If you do the maths, it's like, I'm gonna do the maths anyway and put the figures in how much it's gonna cost me to do it. And then there's also a wing mirror cap that is also missing, which I'm gonna have to get a replacement for. So yeah, first time at auction, took an L. Obviously, you can't at auction, you can't drive the car to see if the clutch is slipping. It had all the green ticks, and MOT history was good. The only advisor was 2 tires, and I thought, oh yeah, this is all right. But I was mid-chatting to someone while I was bidding on that car, so I didn't get to check the mileage on it. I had ones that I wanted to bid for today, but I saw this one coming. I didn't see it online because I only checked lane 1. I should have checked lane 2 as well, so I didn't even get time to check the mileage. I done the MOT check on it, and then walked around the car, and then the bid already started, innit? So then it was until after I noticed the mileage, after I bidded for the car. But you live and you learn, take L's sometimes. And yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll keep you updated on what's going on. Yeah.